Hello, my name is Lynn Gillespie, and this week on the High Performance Garden Show Nuggets, we share with you how to get broccoli production from your plants for a second season. Here's a clip from the show. All right, so in the past seasons, we've grown the sprouting broccoli, and this is one of the plants that actually was grown last year in this bed. We took out all the plants, the roots and everything, and then this one sprouted up from the root. It overwintered the entire winter, and we have been harvesting off of this thing all through spring and summer, and I just thought it was really fascinating that the sprouting broccoli the root could live through the winter. You know, we had 0-degree weather, live through the winter, come back up, and then produce again for a whole second season. So if you guys got some of these broccoli plants, you might want to see if you can get them to winter over and grow them on for a second season. So I just thought this was really special. I've never seen this before. We just missed a root, and here it is. So for you guys that have grown broccoli with me in the past, this is kind of a fun trick to do. This clip is from the High Performance Garden Show Year 9, Week 27. If you'd like to watch the whole show, it's free, it's online, and you can enroll on our website at thelivingfarm.org/high-performance-garden-show.